The taste of the sea, succulent cod on a bed of samphire with mini potato slabs and herby green butter.
Here in the UK, we're experiencing yet another heat wave. Today it's 35 degrees C, and that's hot for this country. But I'm not complaining. There's a lovely breeze and it's perfect barbecue weather.
I have two lovely pieces of cod loin that I'm cooking on my Weber Q with the aid of a fish basket. These lemon slices should prevent the fish from sticking to the basket. The last time I cooked fish, I lined it with dill and it worked perfectly. Sadly, I forgot to get any dill. Lay 4 lemon slices onto the basket, then the pieces of fish, and top with another slice of lemon. Snap the basket closed, and that's ready for the grill. Next, the baby potatoes have been cut into slices, oiled, and I'm now giving them a few grains of salt. A good shake up, and they're ready. I'll be serving the cod on a bed of samphire. It's a coastal sea vegetable which grows in muddy salt marshes and tidal estuaries, and you can forage it if you live by the coast. For me, that's well over 100 miles away. But thanks to celebrity chefs and high-end restaurants creating popularity, and a few enterprising farmers, I can now get it at my local supermarket. All it needs is a dash of oil. Make sure it's well coated and we're ready to go.
Well, that's everything prepared. Stick around and see how it cooks on my Weber Q. Now, I've made a mistake. Have you spotted it yet? Keep watching, all will be revealed. If you're liking the look of this vid, then give us a thumbs up. You want to go into more detail? Then click that button, activate and ding the bell, and say what you think in the community box below. Now, let's get that fish on the grill.
The potato slices, or mini slabs as I like to call them, are going on. I want to get grill lines on some of them, and some of them are going onto the griddle. And finally, the samphire, sizzling as it hits that griddle plate. I'm turning the potatoes. They're just starting to colour, and they'll probably need another turn. Keep the samphire moving, don't want it to burn. I think the tongs do it better. Give the fish a turn. The great thing here is you can cook a complete dish all at the same time on what is really quite a small grill. I don't seem to be getting those grill marks on these, so I'm moving them over to the griddle. Okay, samphire's done, time to get it off. I don't want to leave any behind, that's as much as I can get. Those few strands will have to stay. Now for the spuds. Some have coloured better than others. The griddle definitely did a better job. And so to plate up. The mini potato slabs are going around the edge. That looks quite attractive. The fish is coming off the grill. Snap open the basket And guess what? It's stuck.
So while I try to release this fish with a knife, this is what should have happened. So learn from my mistake. When using a fish basket, always line it with herbs first.
Lay the fish on the bed of samphire. It's so tender, it's difficult to stop it flaking. Comes a second piece. And top off with a star of herby butter. This is cod loin on a bed of samphire with mini potato slabs and herby butter. Enjoy.
Check out my other delicious barbecue recipes, all cooked on a Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.